Hello everyone, it's me BB. Today I'm doing another restaurant stop at Classic Burger and it's located in Dakar, Senegal. So this restaurant is about burgers and I heard of it. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go check it out and see what they have going on. So here is the menu. As you can see, they have a lot of options in the menu. They have beef burgers, chicken burgers. They have starters like salads, like green salad, coleslaw salad, tomato salad, and the last one on the screen, the chicken Caesar salad. They have many varieties of hot dogs to pick from. They have wraps and sandwiches. And I see here they have some chicken nuggets, tenders, chicken here. I think they have the Angus chicken platters, the steak platters, and Metallica. I don't know what that is. And the kids menu, they have a nice option. And the sides, you can pick from fries, onion rings, potato wedges, sweet pickles, and stuffed jalapenos. And here come the crepes, the desserts. And they have soft drink and they have drink from USA. And it's very rare to find drink from USA like Mountain Dew. It's hard to find around Senegal. So this is a plus. And they have water or hot drinks like coffee, and they have juices to pick from, and these are like fresh juices that they make, milkshake, and last but not least they have frappuccino. From our orders, all of the order come with drinks and they come with these glasses and they put some little bit of ice with them and a straw. So this is the apple juice. We order a bottle of water. And here you have some carrot juice, and it's 100% carrot juice with water, nothing else added inside of it. And when it comes to the condiment, I was very excited about because you have all the condiment that you need from the US, so it's a plus. So let's start with the order. Here we have order number one, chicken wrap. It comes with a side, which is fries and a drink. The price is 6,000, which is about $12. And I wanted to see what it looks like when you open it. So you have some lettuce, tomato, onion, and maybe a little bit of mayo dressing. And the chicken was like a good quality. It was white inside, on the inside, and it was crisp too. It was very good. Order number two come from the kids menu. Is some chicken nugget, come with a side, a drink, and a surprise. And we chose some fries for the side. And the surprise was the chocolate Kinder, which has a little toy inside for the kid to play with. And the price is about six. The price is 6,000, which is about $12. And as you can see, the chicken has some pretty white meat. For order number three, you have some double cheeseburger. Comes with a side and drink. The price is 9,000 francs, which is about $18. And the side that we chose is some onion rings. The presentation looks good. And the onion rings, this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, a little bit of onion inside of it, but it tasted okay. Yeah. For order number four, you have the classic cheese hot dog. And as you can see, the hot dog is very long. It's bigger than the bun, which is a plus. It comes with these three jalapeno, stuffed jalapeno. It has some cheese inside of it. And this is what it looks like when you take a bite. And as you can see, the cheese is oozing out everywhere. It was yummy. And last but not least, we ordered some chicken Caesar salad. It was real good. I think it was one of the best item from the menu today. It has some cheese, croutons, some diced chicken. It was yummy. And the Caesar dressing was good too. All of this size was presented into this little cute basket. I thought it was real cute. Here is the website address if you want to get more information about Classic Burger. So here is my review about Classic Burger. When it comes to the cleanliness, it was pretty clean. It wasn't bad. The services, it was like waitresses. So they will come to your table, order your food, and anything you will need, they will bring to you, all that. The timing before the food come, it took about 13 minutes, I'll say. So it wasn't too bad. The price, yes, the price, I think it was way overpriced. But at the same time, I think it's kind of worth it too because the quality and the taste of the food, it was great. So the price was, yeah, it was still overpriced. And it comes to the parking, it wasn't too many parking spots. And it's just Dakar, the capital city of Senegal. Dakar is just like that. There's not too many parking spots out there because it's too many cars and all that, and the city is still a little smaller. So it's everywhere. It's not just classic burger. It's almost everywhere. And the capacity, when I take a look, I think they have like a bar. When you add more chair into that bar and count everything, I think it can fit easily like 60%. This is all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.